Rai Sapatya Khenang Kaya Kamang Vicha Kamang Mano Kamang Panati Te Patya Khena Nikan
Nang bung bố áp lên nó áp lên lại bớt lên bố
Ya Nang Nanta Vyatano Evang Tvang Vichiyo Hare Abhiseke Sapopodhiyanang Akyam Kamang Patya Khenang
Kamang Paniti
Te Patya Khena Nikan Pantate Bodhiya Mule Sakhyanang Nante Vyatano Kale Aparajita Palang Kesese Abhiseke Sapopodhiyanang Pamata Sanya Khatang Samyang Kalang Sapopiyatang Sahatitang Brahmacharai Sapatya Khenang Kaya Kamang Vijakam Mano Kamang Paniti Te Patya Khena Nikatwana Lapanta Te Khene Bodhiya Mule Sakyanang Nante Vatano
Evang Tvang Vichiyo Hariya Sakiya
Amangkale Aparajita Palang Kesahise Patavi Paukare
Seke Sapopodhiyanang
Ya Patau Pamau Tatasanya Khatang Samangkale Sapopiyatang Tau Jasaya Thang Brahmacharai Te Khenang Patya Khenang Mano Kamang Nalapantate Evang Tvang Vichiyo Hao Hechiya Sachiya Mangkale Palang Kesese Abhiseke Sapopodhiyanang Akyam Tatasanya Khatang Samangkalang Sapopiyatang Rai Sapatya Khenang Kaya Kamang Patya Khenang Mano Kamang Paniti Te Vyatano Evang Vichiya Sachiya Mangkale Kesahise Papodhiyanang Akyam Samangkalang Sapopiyatang เสกสะปะปะเทียนังอาแกปะตาปะมาตตุสเนคาตังตังสหติตังสกันนาสมหาตาจะสยะทังพระมจาริสัพเตขินังกายกรรมังจากามังปเตขินังปเตขินังมโนกรรมังปณิติเตปเตขินังกาตวานลพันตาเต ត្រេកអររីករាយជ្រះថ្លាទេញោមញោមអញ្ជើញមកខាងណាញោមរីករាយជ្រះថ្លាទេអញ្ជើញមកខាងណាអលន្តាចរចាឲ្យឆ្នាំក្រោយធ្វើម្ចាស់ផ្ទះម្ដងម្ចាស់មិនម្ចាស់ផ្ទះចុះសមាម្ចាស់ផ្ទះវិសាកម្ពុជានិមន្តឲ្យអញ្ជើញផងប្រហែលជាចូលអត់ចុះទេញោមចាញោមទៅខាងនោះទៅកន្លែងសំគួរបងហើយញោមញ៉ាំពូអញ្ជើញមកខាងណាឋានសីអាត្មានៅចាំមុខញោមបានហើយមានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងម៉េចដែរថ្ងៃនេះបានមកចូលរួមប្រាប់ឈ្មោះផងញោមឈ្មោះអីហ៊ុនណាណាមកស្ការផងទេប្រាប់ថាម៉េចអូ yeah you what is your nationality Cambodia but you cannot speak Khmer right you don't understand Khmer this called boundary Sima boundary for the main vihara main building of the temple it is very important for Cambodian traditional Buddhist traditional, you know, and related to the action of the Sangha, I mean community of Buddhism or the order, means like the default gem. There are three. One is the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha. For the Sangha is the Buddha disciple, the Buddhist community. It is very important. If without Sima or Vihara boundary, there is no more monk. Mean for ordain the new monk, make the normal people to become the Buddha disciple, the Bhikkhu. We need the Sima. We need the Sima, main temple boundary. Yeah. So because of this, of the Sima, we can do some of the Buddhist monk work like Kathina Karma. Robe offering to the Sangha and without the Buddha disciple. Yeah, start from boundary for the main vihara is the monk or the Buddha disciple is this. Yeah. I don't know exactly and you understand what I am speaking or not, but yeah. But I try my best to explain to say. Yeah. What's your name? Bunna. Yeah, Bunna. Yeah. Yeah. Thank a lot for your asking. Thanks so much for your asking. Yeah, for your pondering. Yeah. Yeah. Learn more. It's good. And how much you know about Buddhism? Do you know Buddhism? What Buddhism is?
When I was younger, I read a lot of books to learn more about the original Theravada.
Yeah.
But that's mainly it.
Yeah.
I don't understand Sanskrit, so I don't.
Yeah, exactly true. Normally, actually, the Theravada Buddhism we depend on the Pali language, Pali, and for Mahayana, use the Sanskrit. Yeah, yeah,
Pali, yeah, I don't
Pali.
understand
Yeah,
what I'm saying.
and Pali is more easier than Sanskrit. The Sanskrit is very typical.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if we want to know much or want to know clearly about Buddhism, we need to know the Pali language. Yeah. Yeah. But it's not the big problem if we all try to read Buddhism in English or in Khmer or any other languages. Yeah, we will understand more and more. Yeah, what is the extinction from or difference from the other religion in the world? Buddhism not depend on God, not because the Buddha is not a God. The Buddha is normal people and practice and become the Buddha, and we all can practice and become the worthy one like Sautapana, Sakatagami. Yeah, means the perfected one. Yeah, like Sautapana. There are four like sainthood, right? Sainthood. Yeah, sainthood. There are four kinds of sainthoods. Sainthood means someone who practice properly and get the like beyond the worldly condition, become someone who beyond this world. Yeah. So the first one is Sautapana, stream interior. So when we got stream interior become Sautapana, we cannot go to the hell. We only go to the heaven, and at least 7 lives later, we will get enlightenment. So, and if we don't get any kind of sainthood, we can live in this world happily. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Ante, you want to say something in Khmer? Say something. This event. Mon Khmer.
ចម្រើនពរថ្វាយគុំកាលណាគ្រប់អង្គញាតិញោមឥឡូវមិញហ្នឹងគុណចាស់ខេមរៈកវីបានផ្សាយពីការដង្ហែដុំថ្មនិមិត្តសីមាហ្នឹងប្រតិសិនជុំវិញបរិវេណរង្វង់មូលហើយឥឡូវនេះកំពុងតែវេថ្វាយសង្ឃដើម្បីសង្ឃចាត់ចែងរៀបចំធ្វើសង្ឃកម្មនៅកំណត់សីមាហ្នឹងគឺមានអីគេថាប្រកេនពោហើយជួនបុណ្យកណ្ណាគ្រប់អង្គញាតិញោមថ្ងៃទី2នៃការបញ្ចុះសីមាវត្តអង្គរបរិយនៅទីក្រុងស៊ីរីសរដ្ឋកាលីហ្វ័រញ៉ាភាគខាងជើង